Hey, good morning, dear students. Welcome all of you in today's class. See, yesterday we have completed our which one lesson? The shooting test. Okay, we have solved all the exercise and question answer. We have discussed about what is the lesson in this. Okay, हमने क्या किया है लेसन में कौन सी चीजें थी all the exercise we have done. Okay, and the page number last like 1 second. The page numbers I think 17 and 18. These two page you will solve, okay, because it is a I like doing homework and homework is waste of time. It is for you, okay, so that's why you have to solve it. Okay, see, so we have completed and we have solved all the exercise. So today we will going to revision. See students, why we are taking revision? Because upcoming days we have an exam. Means you have an exam. So see, those students who miss their videos, those students who couldn't attend, okay, who couldn't attend lectures video, so it is the beneficial for them. Okay. So that's why we have to take a revisions. Okay. So we will start the revision from the poem day by day. I float my paper board. See, already we have saw the poem. Already हमने ये poem ले लिया है. But I told you why we are taking this poem again. Okay. See. In this poem, I told you the poem has written who? The Rabindranath Tagore, or as well as I told you the Rabindranath Tagore has written what? The national anthem. I told you, even I told you that you have to remember what he has written a national anthem. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore, when he was a child like you, he just played a game, too many different types of game, but he loves to making a paper boat and he just float in a running stream. Understood? So जब रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी छोटे थे, आपकी उम्र थे, वो बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे करते थे, मतलब खेलते थे, बट उनको वो बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि when he made a paper boat, कि वो पेपर से क्या करते थे, बोर्ड बनाते थे और वो क्या करते थे, जो रनिंग स्ट्रीम बहती धारा में क्या करते थे, वो उसको फ्लोट करते थे, मतलब बहाते थे. समझ में आ गया? तो इस पोयम में, इन दिस पोयम ही जस्ट डिस्क्राइब, ही जस्ट एक्सप्लेन हिज एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड. अंडरस्टूड? व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड he just explained what he failed that time when he was a child. Okay, see, in the first para, see what do we do in a rainy season? हम rainy season में क्या करते हैं बताओ? Because see, we can see there are so many things it made from a paper. वहाँ पे बोला भी है कि you can choose even paper is something right like a newspaper, and how many things can you make with a paper. मतलब ऐसी कौन सी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं वो आप पेपर से बना सकते हो, और ऐसा पेपर वो चूज करो that on which something written, मतलब उसके ऊपर कुछ तो भी लिखा है. Obviously न्यूज़पेपर के ऊपर भी कुछ लिखा था. Your old notebooks, आपके जो भी ओल्ड नोटबुक्स है, you have to choose one. Okay, see, so we will start the first para. See, आप सभी को पता है what do we actually doing in a rainy season? In the rainy season we make our own little boat. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं rainy season में? हम खुद के हाथों से छोटी छोटी नावें बनाते हैं. In the same way, poet also made his paper boat. उसी प्रकार हम जिस प्रकार से पेपर बोट बनाते हैं, उसी प्रकार से पोएट, हु इज अ पोएट, poet is a Rabindranath Tagore. So same, the poet also made his paper boat and the float where in a running stream, मतलब बहती धाराओं में. Okay, see the big letters. उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? He making the boat. The poet write his name in a black capital letters on that paper boat. See, I told you why he has written his name and his address on the paper boat. Because the name of the village where the poet lives. क्यों करते थे? The real why he write his name on the paper boat, because in this strange and unknown country, in the strange and unknown country, who can easily find the poet his paper. क्या होता है? वो क्यों अपना नाम और वहाँ पे एड्रेस लिखते थे? सपोज अगर मैं यहाँ से अपनी नाव छोड़ रहा और कहीं जाके वो अनजान शहर में, अनजान देश में, अनजान सिटी में, स्टेट में अगर वो मिलता है, जिसको भी मिलता है, एटलीस्ट ही नो who made that paper boat and where came from. मतलब वो कहाँ से बोट आई है और किस स्टेट से आई है और who made this paper boat, और ये नाव किसने बनाई है. That's why Rabindranath Tagore has written a name and his address on a paper boat. समझ में आएगा? इसीलिए ताकि उनको जिसको भी ये बोट मिले तो उसको वो एटलीस्ट उसको पता तो चले कि किसने बनाई है और वो कहाँ रहता था. ओके, उसके बाद I launched my paper boats. उसके बाद क्या करते थे वो? जो भी उनकी जो पेपर बोट रहती थी वो सेफली जानी चाहिए करके वो जो शिफुली के फ्लावर है वो क्या करते थे? फील्ड करते थे. अब फील्ड इनटू हिज पेपर बोट को, और वो गार्डन से शिफुली फ्लावर क्या करते थे? वहाँ पे तोड़ के रखते थे. और he just thought the boat filled with the shifuli flower it is safely reached that place. Okay, उसके बाद see the poet say that when my dreams come his face is a wrap in his arms. वो बोला है कि जब when poet on his dream, वो जो ख्वाब देखते हैं पोएट, तो क्या कौन सा ख्वाब देखते हैं? तो ख्वाब देखते समय his hand just wrap his on, मतलब हम ऐसे सोते हैं ना तो उनका जो फेस है वो हमारे आर्म से, मतलब हमारे से क्या है, वो रैप है, ढका हुआ है. ओके, सो द पेपर बोट मेड बाय हिम इन सीन फ्लोटिंग अंडर द स्टैंड एट द मिडनाइट. उनको क्या दिखता है कि उनकी जो बनाई हुई बोट है वो क्या हो रही है? वह बह रही है. और कहाँ से बह रही है? इन द मिडनाइट. मिडनाइट मतलब रात को ऐसे हवे में ऐसे तरंग रही है. ओके, सो द फेरीज ऑफ स्लीप, और जो भी फेरीज है, जो भी परियां हैं, है ना, वो क्या कर रही है? वो स्लीप सेलिंग इन दे एंड लोडिंग इन देयर बास्केट फुल ऑफ ड्रिंक. और वो परियां क्या कर रही है? वहाँ पे बहुत सारे जो उनके ड्रिंक्स है, किसके? पोएट्स के, वो वहाँ पे नाव में भर रही है. मतलब बास्केट में, वो बोला है कि बास्केट फुल ऑन द ड्रिंक्स, मतलब उनकी जो भी ख्वाहिश है, उनकी जो भी ड्रिंक्स है वो सब एक बास्केट में वो लाद रही है, भर रही है. समझ में आएगा? सो दिस लेसन जस्ट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर द पोएट हु हैज एक्सप्लेन्ड हिज एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड. ही मेड अ पेपर बोट and he has written on the paper boat his name and his address, because when the boat reached in a strange place, those who has got this boat, at least we know who had made and who had मतलब where he lived. Understood? तो इसी प्रकार से we have finished our poem. So after that I sent you this question answer. I sent you on a PDF. Okay. उसके बाद ये दोनों है briefly questions. You have to learn by heart, because I think मतलब मैं बोल सकती it will comes on your exams. Okay. So you have to learn by heart these all the question answers. See, उसके बाद है sounds and spelling. बोला था we have to pronounce the correct one. So boat, coat, boat, moat, float, bloat. Understood? Like this. Bloom, bloom, gloom, doom, room and zoom. Like this. Okay. See, then we have, see, these portions also you have to correctly match. Understood? See, there is a column A and column B. There is a word flower. See, name as well as they have given us a picture too, because easily we can recognize what is the answer, what is, we have to put the correct answer. The rose, the Roshan, an aeroplane, a boat, boat. तो हमने बोला था कि a rose obviously it's a bloom. Flowers क्या करते हैं? खिलते हैं. Roshan obviously, see, look at his face. I think his face looks like a sad. So that's why the Roshan is cries. मतलब obviously he looks like a sad. मतलब वो दुखी दिख रहा है, तो means he was a cry. तो Rohan cries. मतलब वो रो रहा है. An aeroplane zooms. Okay, a goat. A goat का है blitz. A boat, see, floats. मतलब boat क्या करिए? तैरती. उसके बाद fill in the double letters to complete the double O, A and OA. तो जहाँ पे भी required से wool, moon, book, look, सभी A में हमको double O लिखना है, और सेकंड के लाइन में where they required O and OA. So soon, gloat, took and took. Understood? उसके बाद पेज नंबर 11, let's learn grammar. The poem is full of action, words which tell you something about of the boat. Find 6 of them. वहाँ पे लिखा है begin with, float, हमने दूसरे लिखा है कि write, live, hope, find and load. Okay, once again I repeat. Float already they have given. Write, live, hope, find and load. After that, find the 6 describing word, the nouns they are describing in the poem. Okay. Then listen to your teacher, read out this poem, read it silently yourself. After me, you have to, I told you, you have to learn the poem by heart. You have to read the poem with a good pronunciation and louder. Okay. Then learn the poem by heart and receive it. I told you this poem you have to learn. It is very easy poem, you have to learn by heart. I think I should give a homework that the day by day I float my boat. It's a homework that you have to read by heart. Okay. Then write 10 lines about what do you night before going to sleep. You have to write it down. I told you कि before you go to the bed, before you go to the sleep, you have what you do before go to the sleep. You have to write it down about at least 5-6 lines. Okay. मतलब आप सोने के पहले क्या करते हो? टीवी देखते हो, अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करते हो, दैट यू वॉच टीवी, मतलब जो कुछ भी देखते हो, यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन अबाउट द 5-6 लाइन्स. ओके. So next activity time. I told you that Rabindranath Tagore was famous for his poems, songs and his school Shanti Niketan and participate in freedom struggle. और उन्होंने जो भी स्वातंत्र के लिए जो फ्रीडम फाइटर लड़ाई किए थे, वो आपको you have to search on a Google. You just क्या आपको लेना है, उसका क्या करना है, आपको इससे कॉपी पेस्ट करना है, मतलब आपको स्टिक करना है आपको. Understood? So here we have completing our day by day poem. I have explained what in this poem we have took also the exercises. Okay, so students, we will see tomorrow which one who did Patrick's homework. See, who did Patrick's homework? It is a very important lesson for your periodical assessment. First periodical. Okay, so you have to learn the question answer. See, the paper will be very easy, but it is not. You have to will get a good marks. Okay. See, so many students they think, ma'am, it's English. See, English is not a boring. English is a very easy language. You don't take any टेंशन, मतलब आपको इतना वो नहीं सोचना है कि मैम इट्स इंग्लिश ये वो. इट इज़ वेरी इजी. यू जस्ट पहले जब हम बोलते हैं यू हैव टू पहले आप खुद ही मतलब मन में सोचो, है ना. See, there is a no perfect. There is a no perfect. So जो भी lesson है in my subject and any other subject, please you have to start the learn by the question answer. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet with the revision of who did Patrick's homework. Okay, so till then, see you. Please take care of your health and don't go outside. Go if you are needed. Okay, so and please keep studying. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.